Hello everyone, welcome to another PlayStation 5 tutorial video. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you how to adjust for daylight savings time on PlayStation 5 so that you don't ever have to worry about adjusting your daylight savings time again. You can actually automatically adjust it so that PlayStation 5 will automatically change this for you. So what you want to do is you want to go to your system settings. Now, when you go to settings, just go to settings in the upper corner. You go to the system settings and you go to date and time. Now, as you can see right here on the right side, you will have adjust daylight savings automatically. So what you can do is you can change the time zone, you can set date and time, and you can also adjust daylight saving automatically. So you just click here, toggle this on the right side, and you will be able to change this. You can also change the and set manually the option for your time as well, and you can also use using internet set it automatically as well. So I will definitely recommend you to use this automatically, and I will also definitely recommend you to use your own time zone and not other time zones, and then just click adjust daylight savings automatically. What this will do is this will adjust the daylight savings time on PlayStation 5 console. If you have any questions or if you want to see more PlayStation 5 tutorial videos, you can check out our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.